This isn't just any cake, it's a masterpiece. Moist, buttery, and every slice is rich, dense, and tender, with that perfect golden crust. Simple ingredients, stunning results, and once you try it, you'll never look at vanilla cake the same way again. Let's get started, because this one's truly something special. You know, before we jump into mixing, go ahead and preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, because in just about 10 minutes, we'll be ready to bake. In a large mixing bowl, add caster sugar and softened butter. I'm using unsalted butter here to better control the salt level in the recipe. Now beat this on medium speed until it's light and well combined. You can also beat the butter first until it's soft and creamy, and then add the sugar. You'll see the color turn pale. That's exactly what we want. Next, add eggs one at a time. Mix well after each addition on medium speed. This helps create a stable, perfect batter. Now we add the star ingredient, cream cheese. It adds richness and keeps the crumb moist and tender. If you don't have cream cheese, you can use sour cream. It works just as beautifully. Next, pour in full cream milk. The fat in whole milk gives the cake that soft, velvety texture, so I really recommend using it. Now add vanilla extract. It's the main flavor in this cake, so don't skip it. And just a bit of vegetable oil. It adds moisture and helps the cake stay soft even after a few days. Mix everything gently and set the bowl aside for a moment. Now in a separate bowl, let's work on the dry ingredients. I'm using cake flour here. It gives a much finer, tender crumb than all-purpose flour. Sift in your flour. Sifting helps keep the texture light and lump-free. And then add baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now it's time to bring it all together. Combine your wet and dry ingredients. Mix gently until everything is well incorporated, but don't overmix. Grease your Bundt pan, then pour in your batter and smooth out the top. Now bake it in your preheated oven for about 50 minutes. Now, look at this beauty. Golden, soft, and full of flavor. That's it. Your perfect vanilla Bundt cake is ready to enjoy. Simple ingredients, stunning results. So, how was the recipe? If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves Bundt cake as much as you do. Try it at home and let me know how it turned out. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more soft, comforting cake recipes. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, enjoy every bite.